Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today we're going to draw a cute baby elephant holding a heart-shaped balloon. Let's start with the outline. Did you know baby elephants are called calves? Just like cows. A baby elephant's ears help it stay cool in the hot sun. They flap them just like fans. At birth, baby elephants don't know how to use their trunk very well. They sometimes trip over it or suck it like a thumb. Baby elephants are very social and love to smile, play, and cuddle with their moms and herd mates. Elephant calves can stand up and walk within 1 hour after they're born. Even baby elephants use their tails to swat away flies, just like big ones. Elephants are very loving animals. Baby elephants stay close to their moms for years and show affection with their trunks. Baby elephants love to play in water. They splash around and sometimes even slide down muddy hills for fun. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. Bye.